welcome to Backyard Science. My name is Marilyn. I work at the Marina Library, and today we are going to learn about seal season. I saw some harbor seals at the Hopkins Marine Station and remembered it's almost pupping season. Today we'll look at some seals, learn some seal facts, and find out where you can see seals in the Monterey area. So here are the seals that I saw. Here are the seals that I saw. Now, how did I know they were harbor seals and not some other kind of pinniped like a sea lion or an otter? We often go to color when we're trying to identify things, but with color variation within a species and the fact that wetness obscures color, that means that color is not always the best of species indicators. So for harbor seals, I go to shape and movement. You can see that these animals don't have a lot of neck. Their heads kind of meld into their bodies, which helps them move smoothly in the water. Also notice that their pectoral flippers are short. They've adapted to have their hands outside the body, mostly for steering, but all the rest of their limbs are inside. The biggest clue, especially from a distance, is this worm motion that they make when they come on the land. This is because their pelvic bones, or their hips, as we would have on humans, are fused for more efficient swimming. However, they can't rotate their rear ends under to walk like California sea lions can, so their movement on land is limited, as you can see. In the video, you can see that they use the waves to kind of push them up on shore so they don't have to do as much work. The other thing that you can see to help you identify harbor seals is, if you are close enough to them, you'll notice that they don't have external ear flaps like sea lions do, but ear holes in the sides of their head. They can hear better also underwater than on land. Their color can range from brown, silver white, or tan to gray, and some have spots like the ones we saw at Hopkins. They are generally around 5 to 6 feet long and can weigh up to 370 pounds. They have blubber to keep them warm, unlike the sea otters we learned about in my last video. As for their diet, they eat fish, squid, octopus, and crustaceans, sometimes diving as deep as 1,500 feet. Most of their dives are shallower at around 3 to 7 minutes long, but they can submerge for as long as 30 minutes, as their heartbeats can slow from 100 beats per minute to 10 beats per minute. 10 beats per minute is a beat about every 6 seconds. So if you heartbeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 heartbeat, that is as frequently as their hearts beat when they dive really deep and they have to conserve energy. Now, where can you see harbor seals in Monterey? There is a whole area at Hopkins Marine Station, as you saw in my video. It's just west of the aquarium down the path. And pupping season is from mid-March to May. You can also see them in Elkhorn Slough, up and down the Ocean View Path in Monterey, and at Point Lobos State Natural Reserve. A few other cool seal facts. The pups are able to swim within minutes of birth, often riding on the mom's back when she dives. And they're ready to leave their mothers at 4 to 6 weeks because the milk they get is so full of nutrients and fat, which is a pretty quick turnaround time. I hope you're able to get out into our bay backyard to see some seals, but if not, the aquarium has a live cam that you can sometimes see harbor seals in, and you can learn about them through library resources, the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History's website, and NOAA's website too. Well, that's all for this seal season video. I hope you had fun, I hope you learned something, and I hope that you have fun exploring. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time. Bye.